Imagine applying for your dream job, but your application never gets noticed. You keep waiting for a call back, but nothing happens. Why? Because recruiters are scrolling past your profile without a second glance. But what if I told you there's a way to make your LinkedIn profile so powerful that recruiters and potential business connections can't ignore you? Today, I'll show you exactly how to create a LinkedIn profile that stands out and opens doors to endless opportunities. So make sure to watch this video until the end. Welcome to Trend AI Today, your go-to channel for smart career tips and digital success strategies. Let's dive in. Why your LinkedIn profile matters. Did you know that 72% of recruiters hire employees directly from LinkedIn? And 63% of companies check LinkedIn profiles before making a hiring decision. Whether you're a job seeker or an entrepreneur looking for connections, having a well-optimized LinkedIn profile is a game changer. Let's break it down step by step to help you create a profile that gets noticed. 1. Profile picture. Your first impression matters. The first thing people notice is your profile picture. A professional photo increases profile views by 21 times and connection requests by 9 times compared to profiles without one. How to get the perfect profile picture. Use a high-quality, well-lit image. Wear professional attire that matches your industry. Keep a clean background, no distractions. If your current background isn't great, use an AI tool like Adobe Firefly to enhance it. Simply upload your picture, remove the background, and replace it with a more suitable one. Once you have the perfect image, upload it to LinkedIn. 2. Create a professional banner image. Your LinkedIn banner is like a business card. It tells people what you do at a glance. A professional banner makes you look more credible. How to design a stunning LinkedIn banner. Use Canva, a free online design tool, to create your banner. Choose a LinkedIn background template. Customize it with your name, job title, or business tagline. Keep it simple. Avoid too much text or clutter. Download and upload it to LinkedIn by clicking Edit Profile Background. 3. Customize your LinkedIn URL. Your LinkedIn profile URL should be easy to read and remember. Write an engaging About section. The About section is your chance to tell your story. Keep it simple yet compelling. What to include: a short introduction about yourself, your key skills and expertise, major achievements and experiences. Use bullet points for better readability. Showcase your work in the featured section. If you have work samples, articles, websites, or projects that highlight your expertise, showcase them in the featured section. This is a great way to make your profile more attractive. How to add a featured item. Go to your profile and scroll to the featured section. Click plus add and choose whether to upload a post, article, link, or image. Save and it will appear at the top of your profile. 8. Add certifications and licenses. If you've completed courses or certifications, display them on your profile. These can boost your credibility and help you stand out from competitors. How to add certifications. Go to your LinkedIn profile. Click Add licenses and certifications. Enter the certification details. Click Save. If you don't have certifications yet, don't worry. You can take free or paid online courses from platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or LinkedIn Learning. 9. Stay active and engage on LinkedIn. Once your profile is set up, the next step is to stay active. Posting and engaging with content regularly keeps you visible to recruiters and potential connections. Ways to stay active: share posts related to your industry. Comment on other people's posts. Publish articles showcasing your expertise. Join LinkedIn groups and network with professionals. To get content ideas, tools like Gravity Write can suggest trending LinkedIn post topics. 10. Use LinkedIn's Open to Work feature. If you're actively job searching, turn on LinkedIn's Open to Work feature. How to enable it? Click on your profile picture. Select frames and choose Open to Work. Fill in job details and select visibility options. Click Save. This simple step signals recruiters that you're available for opportunities. Final tips to land a job on LinkedIn. Use the Jobs section to search for relevant job listings. Filter results by experience level, location, and job type. Click Easy Apply on jobs that match your profile. Upload an updated resume before submitting applications. Take LinkedIn skill assessments to earn badges that boost your credibility. By following these steps, you can create a powerful LinkedIn profile that attracts recruiters, employers, and business partners. Don't let your profile blend in. Make it stand out. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Trend AI today for more tips on career growth and digital success. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep growing.